Hey guys, real quick here, I just want to show you the Builtbright work lights, the commercial division of Arc Lighting. They have two real easy options to install on your work trucks here. They have this small little 2-inch round and they have this 4-inch flat. These come in blue and amber and white, and then the white flashing. Installation is easy. They run off of a 12-volt, the 12-volt batteries. You have the plug-and-play option here, which you can have your controller harness and plug everything into there, and just one wire up to the battery. There we go. Or you can do a hardwire option where you wire it in wherever you'd like. They're surface install with a nice gasket to keep your surface protected. The standard strip light, or the flat lights here, they do have a 3M adhesive install, so you don't have to drill. Great little option to get the work light and the safety lights you need on vehicles. Get yours at SharpTruck.com.